We're going to show you how to save time with your video editing with our first hack, creating a template project.
What?
Well, you've got to go to the computer screen now and do the...
Oh, I've got to leave? That's going to be really annoying.
Come on, we're trying to save time.
Right, yeah. So if you're filming similar projects over and over again, maybe in the same location with the same cameras, something like a vlog, talking headpiece, then why not create a template project to do that? It will save you a bunch of time. All it means is that all your assets, so your sound effects, your music, any settings that you use, including color grading or audio effects, they'll all be there ready to go. So you can drop your new footage into this template project and go. It's as simple as that. A template project will save you a bunch of time and probably some headaches too. You look bored.
Well, I thought you were going to mic up at the desk, bring them with you.
Oh, it's a lot of effort though, isn't it?
Now, with any list, you expect the next one to be delivered any time after the first.
Right.
Like a second and a third.
In an order.
In an order. But in no particular order, we bring you our...
Number 2?
Next up in our Premiere Pro hacks. Are you paying attention? Have you been wasting time editing all the different parts of your video? You're doing it wrong. Show them what to do. Adjustment layer.
Adjustment layers, thanks for that. Use adjustment layers, you idiots. Saves you a bunch of...
No, you can't call them idiots.
Stop wasting so much time, you fool. Use an adjustment layer. If you have multiple clips in your project and you want to make the same effect or settings change to them all, that could be things like special effects or even simple things like color grading, then simply use an adjustment layer. You create it in the project window and place it on the top video layer of your project and literally drag it out to be the full length of the project that you want affected. Now apply the effect to the adjustment layer, such as the lumetri color effect, and everything underneath will have the same effect. It'll save you a huge amount of time and also save your computer a bunch of processing power. Also, a really great part of the adjustment layer is the fact that you can go back in afterwards and make little tweaks and it'll affect everything underneath. So if you need to make a change, you only have to make it once. Really, adjustment layers is a massive time saver.
That was good.
Thanks.
But now it's time to delve into the world of audio and how can we fix our audio on Premiere Pro in a timely fashion.
What is it?
Do you want to...
What's number 3?
Are you going to go to the desk at all to do this?
I'm too lazy for that. Audio track mixer, that is number 3 on our list. And if you've got loads of clips of audio and you're making adjustments to them all individually, stop being an idiot. Use the audio track mixer. It is essentially like an adjustment layer, but just for audio. Now, if you open up the track mixer and place an effect on it, everything on that audio track will have that effect placed upon it. So again, saves you a bunch of time from having to do that loads of different times and will save your computer a bunch of processing power. Not only is it more efficient for your time and for your computer, but also working in this way will create a more professional and cohesive mix to your audio. It will just generally improve the production quality of your videos.
First of all, they're like, I'm not sure if I'm on the right video. Now they're listening.
This is valuable.
Yeah.
Valuable stuff.
Which brings me to my next time-saving hack that you can apply to your video to get rid of all of those nasties.
You're supposed to tell me what it is. I don't know until you tell me.
Well, this is about the limiter for the audio.
Oh.
Yes.
So number 4 on our list is always using a limiter. In Premiere Pro, it's called the hard limiter. Sometimes it's found under Dynamics if you're using an older version. Again, in the audio track mixer, go to the output channel, find the hard limiter under Dynamics and Compression, and place it on. Set it at -0.1 dB. Now, to save you from all the jargon and all the confusing physics of it, all this is going to do is stop your project from clipping or distorting. It won't allow any of the audio to spike into the distortion, into the red, which really is the first and most noticeable thing that will bring the production quality of your videos down. No one likes bad audio, and especially distorted audio. And a hard limiter will save you from that misery. Did you like that one?
I thought it was good. The thing is, looking at audio and speed is kind of essential. It's a big part of what makes up the video.
Yeah.
But then you get to the point where you're going, I wonder if there's anything that I can do that will help me out with my renders.
Rendering. Sitting, looking out that window, confused about what settings to use. Miserable.
Can we help? Can we? You want to know if we can?
Can we help?
Can we?
Can we?
We can fix it for you.
Don't think we're allowed to use that one.
Yes, we can help.
How are we going to help? How are we helping?
Presets for renders.
Making presets. So number 5 on our list of hacks is creating your own presets for rendering. Now it may sound almost simple, but honestly it's overlooked and will save you a bunch of time. Now we all know the misery of that render screen and the guesswork of what settings to use. It could be what bit rates am I supposed to use, or what codec am I supposed to export this video in. But once you've found your optimum settings for the platform you're exporting to, just click on the Save Preset button. Now next time you go to render, you can just load that preset and not have the misery of going through all those options. The best part about this is that you can also have multiple presets. Now that means if you're working to multiple platforms, maybe you're exporting videos for Instagram and Facebook, as well as YouTube or your archive, or maybe for client work, you can create a preset for each of them. So just click your preferred preset, hit render, and you're done. No more miserable, time-wasting misery of staring at that screen like an idiot.
Drop the idiot. I don't want to come across demeaning to them. We want to build them up. They're going, I like your time-saving hacks.
Got it then.
Yeah.
If you use any or all of these hacks, you will no longer be an idiot. See? Built them up.
So there's been our top 5, but I still think there's probably a 6th. This could be like a bonus Easter egg.
Oh, bonus round.
Turn off those awful updates.
Yes.
We really should put that in.
Yeah, so the bonus one, number 6. If you have a Creative Cloud subscription, turn off auto updates. Honestly, it will save you from the misery of Premiere Pro updating halfway through one of your projects and then some kind of setting mismatch happens or your preset windows are all out of whack. Honestly, turn it off and then you can make a decision as to when you want to upgrade, when you're good and ready.
Not in the middle of a project.
No, it is miserable. That was a good bonus one.
If we leave that in there, we're never going to get that sponsorship from Adobe.
I don't think Adobe would ever sponsor us. We're not New York enough.
Yeah.
We don't have an American accent.
You don't. I do.
You don't look like Sarah Dietschy.
I could do.
For the right money, Adobe, if you're watching, Pete will look like Sarah Dietschy.
Did I look good?
No. Do you know what looks better though? If you dress up in the Watermelon Squad merch. Yes, the Filmmakers Club, brought to you by Ingaf. Hashtag Watermelon Squad.
It's not hashtag Watermelon Squad. Let's get rid of that. Just Filmmakers Club. Hashtag Filmmakers Club.
The Filmmakers Club, hashtag Watermelon Squad. It's our Patreon, so you can support us if you just want to buy us a coffee. But also, if you are a filmmaker, which if you're watching this video, you probably are, you get access to all sorts of filmmaking goodies. Right now, for the first month, it is our music library. 700 royalty-free, copyright-free tracks for you to use in pretty much any video you like. That's available to you as a member of the Watermelon Squad.
I want to sign up. Yeah.
Pretty much everything. Our top 5, which had 6 in it.
Keep it running a bit longer. Watch time.
Watch
Something
time.
about watch time. Yeah.
Anything else anyone wants to know?
Put it in the comments.
You know where it is.
Drop it down. We don't do that whole subscribe thing.
No, but you do have to scroll past the button to get to the comments. So
it's over there.
If you graze it, just tap it. Make sure you tap the bell one too. That's there.
Yeah. Well, they'll do that if you want to.
I mean, you don't have to.
It's there.
There's the like button as well. That's an interesting one to press.
Yeah.
See what happens when you press the like button on this video. It is a surprise.
Oh, ready? Hey guys! Oh, thanks for joining us for another tutorial.
Next Wednesday, I think we might even premiere it. It is going to be that special. Our new
I'm excited about
short
it.
film kind of thing.
Well, yeah, short drama.
It's a drama.
It's a drama.
It's exciting. Be there, or as they say when this video was made or set, be there or be square.
Now it's my favourite bit, the outro. Watch this. It's a montage of a few of our favourite shots. Cool music as well. Ready?
Nothing happened.
Oh, why doesn't it happen when I...
Nope.
Right, you click.